Hello students, let us solve the problem based on the phenol from the Narayana NEET book class 12. This is okay. So problem number 61 is there, student. Name the following compounds. Okay. So dear students, this is phenol is there and on one position that is nitro group is there. Now student, that is first basic idea we have to know, that is if it is the functional group. So that is closest position, closest carbon is known as ortho. This is also ortho. So this closest position is ortho, and this is opposite position, this is opposite position is known as para, and this between position, this position is meta. Okay student, meta. So you can see this is the ortho, this is meta, and this is para. So this is meta nitro, and this group is what? This group is phenol. This group, if we talk about OH, is this is phenol. Okay, on which position? That is meta position, nitro group is there. So that is correct option will be student meta nitro phenol is the correct option. Now let us see student next problem. Name the following compound. This is if you talk about the IUPAC name, student, IUPAC name. So IUPAC name, what will be there student? This is one carbon, because functional group is attached to it, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So IUPAC name will be 2, 4, 6, and here is tri, and that NO2 group is, that is what? Trinitro, and another is phenol, trinitrophenol. 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol. This compound is highly acidic in nature, and that is also name of this compound is picric acid. Okay, this is also name is the picric acid. So this compound is known as picric acid. Okay, other student, other option like that orthonitrophenol. So orthonitrophenol is very simple student. This is OH is there, here is NO2. So this cannot be also. Aspirin is what student? Aspirin is also very important class of compound. COOH is there, and here is what is OCOCH3. Okay, this is the salicylic acid. So this is aspirin. Bakelite is also, this is the polymers student. So this is also, these three are wrong, picric acid is correct. Next problem student, see, identify P in the following reaction. This is the diazonium chloride student, diazonium chloride. This is diazonium chloride, and this diazonium chloride, if you are heating with the water, so it will give the phenol. It will be capable to give the phenol. So correct option will be student option number 2. Okay student. So for the problem number 63, correct option is option number 2. Next one, identify P in the following reaction. Identify P in the following reaction. So in this reaction, what is happening student? That is we have, that is the sodium substituted carboxylic acid group is there student. Sodium substituted carboxylic acid group is there. And what other things are there student? If you are going with the NaOH and COO, so this is decarboxylation reaction, decarboxylation. This is the decarboxylation group. So what is that? Is decarboxylation means, that is they will remove the this group, they will remove the this group, and ONA, this base will react on this one, so it will form this one. That is the correct option is option number 1. This is the decarboxylation reaction. So here it will be the removal of this group will be there, carboxylic group, and with this one phenoxide ion will form. So correct option for the 64 number is option number 1. Next question, benzene diazonium chloride on hydrolysis give. If you are having benzene diazonium chloride student, and when you are going to do the hydrolysis, so what it will give student, let us see. We are having, that is, here is N2Cl, benzene diazonium chloride, and you are doing the hydrolysis, H2O. So what it will give student, if you talk about this one, so here is already one reaction already came out. So N2 gas, it will be loosed out, plus HCl will be out, and that is what other will be there student? Other will be, that is phenol will form student. So this is the phenol. So correct option will be option number 3. So benzene diazonium chloride on hydrolysis give the phenol. Next one is there student. Next one, let us see the another one. Problem number 66. So what is the 66 problem, student? 66 is there, benzene reacted with the H2SO4, okay, which again on reaction with NaOH, what it compound it will be able to give, student. Okay, so dear student, you see H2SO4, if benzene undergoes sulfurylation reaction, H2SO4, so what it will give? First one it will give, that is benzene sulfonic acid, SO3, SO3H, benzene sulfonic acid. Of this benzene sulfonic acid, if you are treating with the NaOH, it will give the phenoxide ion will be attached to it. So it will be ONA will form. Okay, so correct option, if you talk about the problem number 66, it will be there, student. Some student write that is option number 1. Why we cannot write option number 1? From this, if you are treating this with the acid, then it will give, that is this will give OH. But here is no second condition is not written here. Here only one reagent written. So phenol is not possible, student. Only the, that is sodium phenoxide is possible. Next, let us see, student, next one. So what is the next question is there? Here if you see, the benzene is getting reacted with nitric acid and sulfuric acid. So nitric acid and sulfuric acid both are there, student. Okay, so this is the HNO3. If you may be knowing, HNO3 plus H2SO4, this H2SO4, this is both are the nitrating reagent. This is the nitrating reagent. Both are together known as nitrating reagent. So if you talk about the benzene, if you are going nitrating reagent, so that is, here is the H2SO4 is there and HNO3 is there. So it will give, that is what compound it will give, student? It will give, that is NO2. Okay, of this NO2, if you are treating with the water, here they have given again water, right, student? So if you are treating with the water, student, this so it will direct, nitrobenzene will hydrolyze and it will give direct to the phenol. So if you talk about which could be the otherwise, here is what is given, student. Otherwise you don't go directly with the water. That is, firstly let us try to understand little more. So here after that, this nitrobenzene came. This nitrobenzene is getting reacted with the ZnHCl. It is what is Zn plus HCl. Of Zn plus HCl, if you are reacting, student, this compound is supposed to be X, okay, nitrobenzene. So Zn plus HCl, it will reduce the nitro group and it will form, that is NH2. Okay, this NH2 is compound Y. Okay, and this Y is again getting treated with what, student? Diazotization reaction. NaNO2 plus it will react with HCl. So it will give the diazonium chloride. This is giving N2Cl. This is N2Cl. Diazonium chloride. This is the Z compound. This Z compound again on hydrolysis, if you are treating with hydrolysis, this is H2O. So what it will give, student? Benzene diazonium chloride will give the phenol. So correct option you can check out, student. Correct option will be option number 4 is the correct option. So for the question number 67, correct option is option number 4. Now let us properties of phenol, student. Which of the following is most acidic? They are asking which of the following. This is electron donor group. So it will decrease the acidic nature. Okay, so and here the alkyl alcohol, these two are the alcohols. So alcohols are less acidic than the phenol. So our required answer is option number 1. 68 correct option is 1. So this is ruled out because because here is resonance is there, student, resonance. So due to resonance, that is, it is more acidic, more acidic. Okay, but if you talk about the answer number C, it is electron donor group decreases the acidic strength. So this is wrong. These are the alcohol. So due to resonance, it is more acidic than the alcohol. So correct option is option number 1. Now let us see this one, question number 69. Which of the following will give the violet color with the FeCl3? So ethyl alcohol, methyl alcohol, this one will not give. Phenol give the ferric chloride taste, student. Phenol give the ferric chloride cell taste. The correct option is option number 3rd. Next, aspirin is obtained by reaction of salicylic acid with what one is, student? If you are heating the salicylic acid, the formula of salicylic acid is this, student, that is OH is there, and this one is COOH. So this, if you are heating with the acetic anhydride, either you take with the acetic anhydride, acetaldehyde or methanol acetyl chloride, this is wrong. Correct option is option number 1. If you are treating with the acid anhydride, it will give the aspirin. So 70 number, the correct option is option number 1. This is direct NCERT problem, student. You can go with the NCERT, you will be able to understand. Which of the following will not give the positive test with the neutral FeCl3? Right, student? So that is nitrophenol. It will give because phenol is there. Orthocresol is also phenol. Allyl alcohol do not give the ferric chloride test, student. Only phenol give. This is also phenol, this is phenol, this is phenol. So all three will give the ferric chloride test, but allyl alcohol will not give the ferric chloride test. So correct option is option number 3rd, 71, option number 3rd. Now phenol is also called. So 72 number they are saying phenol is also called. The carboxylic acid wrong, benzyl alcohol wrong, salol wrong, carbolic acid, this is the correct answer, student. This is also direct NCERT problem, student. Okay, you can check with the NCERT. In the first line of the phenol chapter, phenol lecture, it is given, that is phenol is also known as carbolic acid. Now phenol, if you are treating with the CHCl3NaOH acetaldehyde, this reaction is known as Riemann-Tiemann reaction. When you are treating, student, phenol with the chloroform and NaOH, this reaction is known as Riemann-Tiemann reaction. We can write this reaction, student, Riemann-Tiemann reaction. Here you can see. So if you talk about the Riemann-Tiemann reaction, one second, student, I am just trying to put it little thicker. If you see, no, this is not becoming thicker. One second, students. Let it be here, and here is point. Now we can write here. If you see, if you could see here. So there, if you see, student, so phenol, if you are treating this phenol, student, OH. So firstly you treat with the NaOH. So it will give the one compound. It will give, student, what it will give, that is ONA. This ONA, if you are treating with CHCl3, student, it will give, that is one intermediate compound. Here is ONA is there. This will give CHCl2. And this compound, when you are treating with the NaOH again, so this compound will give, student, that is it will give, that is CHO here, and ONA will be there. And this ONA again on reaction with HCl, it will give, that is salsaldehyde. This will give, here is OH and here is the CHO. So this is known as salsaldehyde. This is known as what? Salsaldehyde. This reaction is known as salsaldehyde. This product is known as salsaldehyde, and reaction is known as Riemann-Tiemann reaction. So correct option is option number 4. Now let us move question number 74. What is question number 70? Phenol is react with X and this one. So zinc is the product, student, which zinc on reaction with phenol, it reduces the zinc into zinc is reduce phenol into benzene. Zinc reduces phenol into benzene. So correct option for 74 question is 2 number. Now electrophilic in Riemann-Tiemann reaction, electrophile in Riemann-Tiemann reaction is dichlorocarbene. This is the option number 3rd. Dichlorocarbene is the electrophile in the case of the Riemann-Tiemann reaction, student. So if you talk about 75 number, the correct option is option number 3. Next one question, student. Among the following 4 compounds, okay, phenol, methylphenol, orthonitrophenol, 2,4,6-trinitro, the acidic order. So most acidic is the 2,4,6-trinitrophenol. So D will be this is correct order, student. Correct is will be, that is if you are going 76 number. So D will be most, and then that is 2,4,6, that orthonitrophenol, methylphenol is least, student. So B will be the least. This is, and because methyl group is electron donating group, and phenol and orthonitrophenol. So that is CA. Correct option is option number A, student. Very easy problem. You can try to understand. You will be able to understand. When phenol is treated with excess of bromine water, it gives excess of bromine water. So 2,4,6 tribromophenol. So correct option is option number 4. It is direct NCERT student. You can go with the NCERT. You will be able to answer this each question very easily. So 77 option number 4. Phenol on treatment with concentrated HNO3. Phenol on treated with concentrated HNO3. So 2,4,6 trinitrophenol it will give. So the correct answer is picric acid. Okay. This is picric acid. So 78 number correct option is option number 1. Most acidic among the following. So this is electron donor group. This is wrong. This is electron withdrawing group. Okay. This is also electron withdrawing group. This is also okay. So out of these two, OH group is ortho-para-directing student. OH group is ortho-para-directing. So correct option if you talk about the ortho-para directing, so correct option will be option number 4, because reason I am writing here, because reason is because phenol OH in phenol is O and P directing group. So correct option is option number 4. Next one, which one of the following compounds would undergo nitration with greatest ease? So that is greatest is nitrobenzene, phenol, benzoic acid and benzene. There are 4 options are there, and then they are saying that is which will go nitration easily. So that is nitration easily means whichever is having more electron density student, that will go nitration easily. So that is phenol is having more electron density, so it will go. Benzene no electron donor going, benzoic acid electron withdrawing, nitrobenzene electron withdrawing. So these 3 are wrong. Absolutely correct option is 2. Okay, and now let us see the another question student, problem number 81. So if we talk about 81 problem student, so that is phenol is reacting with the NaOH. So what it will compound, it will give student OH is there. If you are treating with the NaOH, so it will give that is ONA. It will give that is ONA. This compound, if it is reacting with CO2, so it will give that is CO2 and acid. So it will give that is here is OH and here is COOH. This is salicylic acid. And if you are treating with the acetic anhydride, CH3CO whole twice O, acetic anhydride, so it will give the aspirin. So how the formula of aspirin student? You can, here is the OH, here is OCOCH3. So this is the what is aspirin. This is OCOCH3. So this is the aspirin. So 81 correct option. If you see here, which one is this? Is the phenol called Kolbe, B steam volatile, C OH group, C can be used as anti-inflammatory reagent. Okay, so that is preparation of B from phenol is called Kolbe reaction. That is correct student. This is the Kolbe reaction. COOH is formation of this is known as what? Kolbe's reaction. You can go with the NCERT book, you can easily understand. Okay, next, consider the following phenol zinc dust. So phenol zinc dust, if you are reducing, so it will give benzene. Benzene is reacting with CH3Cl, so it will give the toluene. Okay, CH3. This alkaline KMNO4 and H2O, so it will give that is benzoic acid, COOH. So the product Z is toluene, benzoic acid. Correct option is option number 4. So 82 option number 4 is correct easily. So dear student, you try to understand this all, you will be able to understand easily. Okay, so I hope it will be helpful student. Thank you so much for watching.